Price live data. The live Ethereum price today is $2.81039 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $15.223.317.965 USD. We update our ETH to USD price in real time. Ethereum is down 63% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 2, with a live market cap of $338.946.124.236 USD. It has a circulating supply of 120.604.638 ETH coins and the max supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Ethereum at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Ethereum stock are currently Binance, OKX, MEXC, BingX, and CoinFlex. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency, Ether. ETH works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies, as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. Ethereum was first described in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, along with other co-founders, secured funding for the project in an online public crowd sale in the summer of 2014. The project team managed to raise $18.3 million in Bitcoin, and Ethereum's price in the initial coin offering, ICO, was $0.311, with over 60 million Ether sold. Taking Ethereum's price now, this puts the return on investment, ROI, at an annualized rate of over 270%, essentially almost quadrupling your investment every year since the summer of 2014. The Ethereum Foundation officially launched the blockchain on July 30, 2015, under the prototype codenamed Frontier. Since then, there has been several network updates: Constantinople, on February 28, 2019, Istanbul, on December 8, 2019, Muir Glacier, on January 2, 2020, Berlin, on April 14, 2021, and most recently on August 5, 2021, the London hard fork. Ethereum's own purported goal is to become a global platform for decentralized applications, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime, and fraud. Who are the founders of Ethereum? Ethereum has a total of 8 co-founders, an unusually large number for a crypto project. They first met on June 7, 2014, in Zug, Switzerland. Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is perhaps the best known of the bunch. He authored the original white paper that first described Ethereum in 2013 and still works on improving the platform to this day. Prior to ETH, Buterin co-founded and wrote for the Bitcoin Magazine news website. British programmer Gavin Wood is arguably the second most important co-founder of ETH, as he coded the first technical implementation of Ethereum in the C++ programming language, proposed Ethereum's native programming language Solidity, and was the first chief technology officer of the Ethereum Foundation. Before Ethereum, Wood was a research scientist at Microsoft. Afterward, he moved on to establish the Web3 Foundation. Among the other co-founders of Ethereum are Anthony D. Iorio, who underwrote the project during its early stage of development; Charles Hoskinson, who played the principal role in establishing the Swiss-based Ethereum Foundation and its legal framework; Mihai Alesi, who provided assistance in establishing the Ethereum Foundation; Joseph Lubin, a Canadian entrepreneur, who, like D. Iorio, has helped fund Ethereum during its early days, and later founded an incubator for startups based on ETH called Consensys; Amir Chetrit, who helped co-found Ethereum but stepped away from it early into the development. What makes Ethereum unique? Ethereum has pioneered the concept of a blockchain smart contract platform. Smart contracts are computer programs that automatically execute the actions necessary to fulfill an agreement between several parties on the Internet. They were designed to reduce the need for trusted intermediates between contractors, thus reducing transaction costs while also increasing transaction reliability. Ethereum's principal innovation was designing a platform that allowed it to execute smart contracts using the blockchain, which further reinforces the already existing benefits of smart contract technology. Ethereum's blockchain was designed, according to co-founder Gavin Wood, as a sort of one computer for the entire planet, theoretically able to make any program more robust, censorship-resistant and less prone to fraud by running it on a globally distributed network of public nodes. In addition to smart contracts, Ethereum's blockchain is able to host other cryptocurrencies, called tokens, through the use of its ERC-20 compatibility standard. In fact, this has been the most common use for the ETH platform so far. To date, more than 280,000 ERC-20 compliant tokens have been launched. Over 40 of these make the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, for example, USDT, Link and BNB. Since the emergence of play-to-earn games, there has been a substantial increase in interest in the ETH to PHP price. Ethereum London hard fork. The Ethereum network has been plagued with high transaction fees, often buckling at seasons of high demand. In May 2021, the average transaction fee of the network peaked at $71.72. In addition to the high cost of transactions, the leading altcoin also suffers from scalability issues. As already mentioned, there are plans to transition to a proof-of-stake algorithm in order to boost the platform's scalability and add a number of new features. The development team has already begun the transition process to ETH 2.0, implementing some upgrades along the way, including the London hard fork. The London upgrade went live in August 2021. It included 5 Ethereum improvement proposals, EIPs, namely EIP 3529, EIP 3198, EIP 3541, and most notably EIP 1559 and EIP 3554. EIP 1559 is arguably the most popular upgrade out of all the EIPs. What is EIP 1559? The EIP 1559 upgrade introduces a mechanism that changes the way gas fees are estimated on the Ethereum blockchain. Before the upgrade, users had to participate in an open auction for their transactions to be picked up by a miner. This process is known as a first price auction, and as expected, the highest bidder wins. With EIP 1559, this process is handled by an automated bidding system, and there is a set base fee for transactions to be included in the next block. This fee varies based on how congested the network is. Furthermore, users who wish to speed up their transactions can pay a priority fee to a miner for faster inclusion. EIP 1559 also introduces a fee-burning mechanism. A part of every transaction fee, the base fee, is burned and removed out of circulation. This is intended to lower the circulating supply of Ether and potentially increase the value of the token over time. Interestingly, less than 2 months after the London upgrade was implemented, the network had burned over $1 billion worth of Ether. Ethereum 2.0. In 2022, Ethereum plans to switch to proof-of-stake with its Ethereum 2.0 update. This switch has been in the Ethereum roadmap since the network's inception and would see a new consensus mechanism, as well as introduce sharding as a scaling solution. The current Ethereum chain will become the beacon chain and serve as a settlement layer for smart contract interactions on other chains. In late 2021, Ethereum's Arrow Glacier update was delayed to June 2022. Until then, Vitalik Buterin expects the road to the network's endgame to be shaped by optimistic rollups and ZK rollups. Related pages. New to crypto? Learn how to buy Bitcoin today. Want to keep track? SOICE live data. The live Solana price today is $90.34 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.769.228.104 USD. We update our SOL to USD price in real time. Solana is down 0.81% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $30.210.361.881 USD. It has a circulating supply of 334.403.099 SOL coins and the max supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Solana at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Solana stock are currently Binance, OKX, MEXC, BingX, and Bybit. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. What is Solana, SOL? Solana is a highly functional open-source project that banks on blockchain technology's permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance, DeFi, solutions. While the idea and initial work on the project began in 2017, Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Solana. The Solana protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized dApp creation. It aims to improve scalability by introducing a proof of history, POH, consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake, POS, consensus of the blockchain. Because of the innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana enjoys interest from small-time traders and institutional traders alike. A significant focus for the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance accessible on a larger scale. Who are the founders of Solana? Anatoly Yakovenko is the most important person behind Solana. His professional career started at Qualcomm, where he quickly moved up the ranks and became Senior Staff Engineer Manager in 2015. Later on, his professional path shifted, and Yakovenko entered a new position as a software engineer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko started working on a project which would later materialize as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. Attracting several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and SOL token were released to the public in 2020. What makes Solana unique? One of the essential innovations Solana brings to the table is the proof of history, POH, consensus developed by Anatoly Yakovenko. This concept allows for greater scalability of the protocol, which in turn boosts usability. Solana is known in the cryptocurrency space because of the incredibly short processing times the blockchain offers. Solana's hybrid protocol allows for significantly decreased validation times for both transaction and smart contract execution. With lightning-fast processing times, Solana has attracted a lot of institutional interest as well. The Solana protocol is intended to serve both small-time users and enterprise customers alike. One of Solana's main promises to customers is that they will not be surprised by increased fees and taxes. The protocol is designed in such a way as to have low transaction costs while still guaranteeing scalability and fast processing. Combined with the long-standing professional expertise creators Anatoly Yakovenko and Greg Fitzgerald bring to the project, Solana is ranked number 7 in the CoinMarketCap ranking as of September 2021. This came on the back of an impressive bull run, where Solana price gained over 700% since mid-July 2021. The launch of the Degenerate Ape NFT collection sent SOL price to an all-time high, ADH, above $60, and it has been climbing since, largely due to higher developer activity on the Solana ecosystem, greater institutional interest, growing DeFi ecosystem, and the rise of the NFTs and gaming vertical on Solana. Solana price rose to an ADH of $216 on September 9, 2021. Solana has received much praise for its speed and performance, and has even been tipped as a rival that can compare to Ethereum and challenge the dominant smart contract platform. However, the network has been plagued by repeated outages that have impaired its price and aspirations to be the Visa of crypto. Furthermore, its ecosystem is accused of favoring venture capital investors with unfair tokenomics. This has led to a retrace in the price of SOL as of February 2022, and more short-term bearish price action cannot be ruled out. However, in the long run, Solana should appreciate thanks to strong support from exchanges like FTX. Related pages. Read more about Steem. Check out Marlin. Learn more about decentralized finance, DeFi. Curious about the crypto space? Read our educational section, Alexandria. Want to keep track of Solana prices live? Download the CoinMarketCap mobile app. Want to convert Solana price today to your desired fiat currency? Check out CoinMarketCap exchange rate calculator. How many Solana, SOL, coins are there in circulation? The Solana Foundation has announced that a total of 489 million SOL tokens will be released in circulation. At the moment, about 260 million of these have already entered the market. The SOL token distribution is as follows: 16.23% went towards an initial seed sale, 12.92% of tokens were dedicated to a founding sale, 12.79% of SOL coins were distributed among team members, and 10.46% of tokens were given to the Solana Foundation. The remaining tokens were already released for public and private sales or are still to be released to the market. Solana price during the initial seed sale, held on April 5, 2018, was 4 cents. Given the recent ADH, that represents an impressive 5400x return on investment, ROI. How is the Solana network secured? Solana relies on a unique combination of proof of history, POH, and proof of stake, POS, consensus mechanisms. Proof of history is the main component of the Solana protocol, as it is responsible for the bulk of transaction processing. POH records successful operations and the time that has passed between them, thus ensuring the trustless nature of the blockchain. The proof of stake, POS, consensus is used as a monitoring tool for the POH processes, and it validates each sequence of blocks produced by it. The combination of two consensus mechanisms makes Solana a unique phenomenon in the blockchain industry. Where can you buy Solana, SOL? SOL tokens can be purchased on most exchanges. One choice to trade Solana is on Binance, as it has the highest SOL/USDT trading volume, $753,103,225 as of September 2021. Next is Coinbase, with a trading volume of $343,872,841. Other options to trade Solana include FTX, Bilaxy, and Huobi Global. Of course, it is important to note that investing in cryptocurrency comes with a risk, just like any other investment opportunity. To check Solana price live in the fiat currency of your choice, you can use CoinMarketCap's converter feature directly on the Solana currency page, or the dedicated exchange rate converter page. Popular Solana price pairs include SOL/USD, SOL/GBP, SOL/AUD, SOL/JPY, and SOL/Euro. Comps live data. The live compound price today is $106.93 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $90.858.405 USD. We update our comp to USD price in real time. Compound is down 3.64% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 92, with a live market cap of $719.405.523 USD. It has a circulating supply of 6.727.972 comp coins and a max supply of 10.000.000 comp coins. If you would like to know where to buy Compound at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Compound stock are currently Binance, OKX, MEXC, BingX, and CoinFlex. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. What is Compound, Comp? Compound is a DeFi lending protocol that allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies by depositing them into one of several pools supported by the platform. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Compound. When a user deposits tokens to a Compound pool, they receive C tokens in return. These C tokens represent the individual's stake in the pool and can be used to redeem the underlying cryptocurrency initially deposited into the pool at any time. For example, by depositing ETH into a pool, you will receive CETH in return. Over time, the exchange rate of these C tokens to the underlying asset increases, which means you can redeem them for more of the underlying asset than you initially put in. This is how the interest is distributed. On the flip side, borrowers can take a secured loan from any Compound pool by depositing collateral. The maximum loan-to-value (LTV) ratio varies based on the collateral asset, but currently ranges from 50 to 75%. The interest rate paid varies by borrowed asset, and borrowers can face automatic liquidation if their collateral falls below a specific maintenance threshold. Since the launch of the Compound mainnet in September 2018, the platform has skyrocketed in popularity, and recently passed more than $800 million in total locked value. Who are the founders of Compound? Compound was founded in 2017 by Robert Leshner and Jeffrey Hayes, both of whom previously worked in high-profile roles at Postmates, an online food delivery service. The two continue to hold executive positions at Compound Labs, Inc., the software development firm behind the Compound protocol, with Leshner currently serving as CEO, while Hayes is the CTO. Though both founders have experience founding successful companies, Robert Leshner, in particular, has been particularly active in helping to grow the blockchain space, and has publicly invested in popular crypto platforms including Argent Wallet, Open, and Blockfolio. The Compound team now comprises over a dozen individuals, almost half of which work as engineers. What makes Compound unique? According to Compound, the majority of cryptocurrencies sit idle on exchange platforms, doing nothing for their holders. Compound looks to change this with its open lending platform, which allows anybody who deposits supported Ethereum tokens to easily earn interest on their balance or take out a secured loan, all in a completely trustless way. Compound's community governance sets it apart from other similar protocols. Holders of the platform's native governance token, Comp, can propose changes to the protocol, debate and vote whether to implement changes suggested by others, without any involvement from the Compound team. This can include choosing which cryptocurrencies to add support for, adjusting collateralization factors, and making changes to how Comp tokens are distributed. These Comp tokens can be bought from third-party exchanges or can be earned by interacting with the Compound protocol, such as by depositing assets or taking out a loan. Related pages. Learn about Aave, one of Compound's biggest competitors. Read about Yearn.finance, one of the first yield farming protocols. Want to brush up on your crypto knowledge? Check out CMC Alexandria. Read our blog to stay up to date with the latest industry news and events. How many Compound, Comp, coins are there in circulation? Like many digital assets, only a fixed number of Comp tokens will ever come into existence. The total supply is capped at 10 million Comp, and as of writing, less than a third are in circulation, 3.3 million. Out of these 10 million tokens, just over 4.2 million tokens will be distributed to Compound users over a 4-year period. The second biggest allotment, almost 2.4 million comp, goes to the Compound Labs, Inc. shareholders, whereas 2.2 million tokens will be distributed to the Compound founders and current team with a 4-year vesting schedule. Finally, 775,000 comp are reserved for community governance incentives, and the remaining 332,000 tokens will be allocated to future team members. The exact rate of comp emission is subject to change over time, as voters are able to increase or reduce the emission rate by passing a proposal through community governance. How is the Compound network secured? Everything on Compound is handled automatically by smart contracts, which act to mint C tokens after Ethereum and ERC20 assets are deposited, and allow Compound users to redeem their stake using their C tokens. The protocol enforces a collateralization factor for all assets supported by the platform, ensuring each pool is over-collateralized at all times. If the collateral falls below the minimum maintenance level, it will be sold to liquidators at a 5% discount, paying down some of the loan and returning the remainder to an acceptable collateralization factor. This arrangement helps to ensure borrowers maintain their collateral levels, provides a safety net for lenders, and creates an earning opportunity for liquidators. Where can you buy Compound, Comp? Comp is currently available to trade on hundreds of cryptocurrency exchange platforms, including Coinbase Pro, Binance and Huobi Global. It can be traded against most other popular cryptocurrencies, as well as a range of fiat currencies, including the US dollar, USD, Indian rupee, INR, and Australian dollar, AUD. Not sure how to convert fiat to cryptocurrencies like Comp? Find out more here. LT price live data. The live Litecoin price today is $99.74 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $667.437.555 USD. We update our LTC to USD price in real time. Litecoin is down 0.18% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 21, with a live market cap of $7.000.970.363 USD. It has a circulating supply of 70.191.519 LTC coins and a max supply of 84.000.000 LTC coins. If you would like to know where to buy Litecoin at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Litecoin stock are currently Binance, OKX, MEXC, BingX, and CoinTiger. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. What is Litecoin, LTC? Litecoin, LTC, is a cryptocurrency that was designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost payments by leveraging the unique properties of blockchain technology. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Litecoin. The cryptocurrency was created based on the Bitcoin, BTC, protocol, but it differs in terms of the hashing algorithm used, hard cap, block transaction times and a few other factors. Litecoin has a block time of just 2.5 minutes and extremely low transaction fees, making it suitable for microtransactions and point-of-sale payments. Litecoin was released via an open-source client on GitHub on October 7, 2011, and the Litecoin network went live 5 days later on October 13, 2011. Since then, it has exploded in both usage and acceptance among merchants and has counted among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization for most of its existence. The cryptocurrency was created by Charlie Lee, a former Google employee, who intended Litecoin to be a light version of Bitcoin, in that it features many of the same properties as Bitcoin, albeit lighter in weight. Who are the founders of Litecoin? As we previously touched on, Litecoin was founded by Charlie Lee, an early cryptocurrency adopter and a name held in high regard in the cryptocurrency industry. Charlie Lee, also known as Chocobo, is an early Bitcoin miner and computer scientist, who was a former software engineer for Google. In addition, Charlie Lee held the role of Director of Engineering at Coinbase between 2015 and 2017 before moving on to other ventures. Today, Charlie Lee is an outspoken advocate of cryptocurrencies and is the Managing Director of the Litecoin Foundation, a non-profit organization that works alongside the Litecoin core development team to help advance Litecoin. Besides Lee, the Litecoin Foundation also includes 3 other individuals on the board of directors, Xinxi Wang, Alan Austin and Xing Yang, all of which are accomplished in their own right. What makes Litecoin unique? Behind Bitcoin, Litecoin is the second most popular pure cryptocurrency. This success can be largely attributed to its simplicity and clear utility benefits. As of January 2021, Litecoin is one of the most widely accepted cryptocurrencies, and more than 2,000 merchants and stores now accept LTC across the globe. Its main benefit comes from its speed and cost-effectiveness. Litecoin transactions are typically confirmed in just minutes, and transaction fees are nearly negligible. This makes it an attractive alternative to Bitcoin in developing countries, where transaction fees may be the deciding factor on which cryptocurrency to support. In late 2020, Litecoin also saw the release of the Mimblewimble (MW) testnet, which is used to test Mimblewimble-based confidential transactions on Litecoin. Once this feature is available on the mainnet, Litecoin users will also benefit from greatly enhanced privacy and fungibility. Litecoin Mimblewimble upgrade. Litecoin Foundation announced the long-awaited Mimblewimble extension block (MWEB) upgrade as part of the Litecoin Core 0.21.2 release candidate on January 31, 2022. MWEB is set to be the largest upgrade to the Litecoin network ever, promising to provide fungibility for all, while improving Litecoin scalability. MWEB will be an opt-in feature, allowing Litecoin to be the most fungible, cash-like, cryptocurrency in the space. The security and privacy-enhancing Taproot upgrade will also be part of the core release. Related pages. Check out Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency. Check out Nano, another lightweight, fast cryptocurrency. Get up to date with the latest Litecoin updates and discussion. Want to keep track of Litecoin price live? Download the CoinMarketCap mobile app. Check out CoinMarketCap Alexandria for the latest cryptocurrency news and educational deep dives. How many Litecoin, LTC, coins are there in circulation? Like most proof-of-work, POW, cryptocurrencies, the amount of Litecoin in circulation gradually increases with each newly mined block. As of January 2021, 66.245 million LTC have already been mined out of a total maximum supply of 84 million. The Litecoin Foundation recently estimated it will be well over 100 years until Litecoin reaches full dilution, around the year 2140, since the number of LTC mined per block decreases every 4 years as part of the block reward halving schedule. Around 500,000 LTC was insta-mined on day 1 after the LTC Genesis block was mined, and Charlie Lee and presumably other early Litecoin developers were among the first miners. Despite this, as a fairly distributed asset, the Litecoin developers or Charlie Lee do not receive any direct profits from the operation of Litecoin, other than anything they may earn as part of the regular mining process. When Litecoin listed on several markets in 2011, the Litecoin price hit 30 cents. Then, from November to December 2013, it went on a massive bull run, with Litecoin price hitting a high of $44.73. However, the bear market and MTGOX hack caused Litecoin prices to crash in 2014, and prices consolidated within the $2 to $4 range for several years. In November and December of 2017, Litecoin price rallied over 500% to $358.34 on the back of the crypto bull market. Litecoin price hit an all-time high in May 2021, in the latest crypto bull run, which saw it reach $386.45 on May 9, 2021. How is the Litecoin network secured? As a blockchain-based cryptocurrency, Litecoin is secured by incredibly strong cryptographic defenses, making it practically impossible to crack. Like Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies, Litecoin uses the POW consensus algorithm to ensure transactions are confirmed quickly and without errors. The combined strength of the Litecoin mining network prevents double spends and a range of other attacks, while ensuring the network has 100% uptime. Where can you buy Litecoin, LTC? Litecoin is one of the few cryptocurrencies with a wide variety of fiat trading pairs, and can be exchanged for US dollars, USD, Korean won, KRW, euros, euro, and more when you buy Litecoin. Some of the most prominent names include Huobi Global, Binance, Coinbase Pro, OKX and Kraken. Litecoin is one of the few cryptocurrencies with a wide variety of fiat trading pairs, and can be exchanged for US dollars, USD, Korean won, KRW, euros, euro, and more. To check Litecoin price live in a fiat currency of your choice, you can use CoinMarketCap's converter feature directly on the Litecoin currency page. Alternatively, use the dedicated exchange rate converter page. Popular Litecoin price pairs include LTC/USD, LTC/GBP, LTC/KRW and LTC/Euro. X price live data. The live Monero price today is $217.78 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $231.894.229 USD. We update our XMR to USD price in real time. Monero is down 5.64% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 32, with a live market cap of $3.945.100.212 USD. It has a circulating supply of 18.115.181 XMR coins and the max supply is not available. If you would like to know where to buy Monero at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Monero stock are currently Binance, OKX, MEXC, Bybit, and DGFinex. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. What is Monero, XMR? Monero was launched in 2014, and its goal is simple: to allow transactions to take place privately and with anonymity. Even though it's commonly thought that BTC can conceal a person's identity, it's often easy to trace payments back to their original source because blockchains are transparent. On the other hand, XMR is designed to obscure senders and recipients alike through the use of advanced cryptography. The team behind Monero say privacy and security are their biggest priorities, with ease of use and efficiency coming second. It aims to provide protection to all users, irrespective of how technologically competent they are. Overall, XMR aims to allow payments to be made quickly and inexpensively without fear of censorship. Who are the founders of Monero? 7 developers were initially involved in creating Monero, 5 of whom decided to remain anonymous. There have been rumors that XMR was also invented by Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin. XMR's origins can be traced back to Bitcoin, a privacy-focused and decentralized cryptocurrency that was launched in 2012. 2 years later, a member of the Bitcoin Talk forum, only known as Thankful for Today, forked BCN's codebase, and Monero was born. They had suggested controversial changes to Bitcoin that others in the community disagreed with and decided to take matters into their own hands. It's believed that hundreds of developers have contributed to XMR over the years. What makes Monero unique? There are several things that make Monero unique. One of the project's biggest aims is achieving the greatest level of decentralization possible, meaning that a user doesn't need to trust anyone else on the network. Privacy is achieved through a few distinctive features. Whereas each Bitcoin in circulation has its own serial number, meaning that cryptocurrency usage can be monitored, XMR is completely fungible. By default, details about senders, recipients, and the amount of crypto being transferred are obscured, and Monero Advocates says this offers an upper hand over rival privacy coins such as Scash, which are selectively transparent. Obfuscation is achieved through the use of ring signatures. Here, past transaction outputs are picked from the blockchain and act as decoys, meaning that outside observers can't tell who signed it. If Ian was sending 200 XMR to Susan, this amount could also be split into random chunks to add a further level of difficulty. To ensure that transactions cannot be linked to one another, stealth addresses are created for every single transaction that are only used once. All of these distinctive features have led to XMR being increasingly used for illicit transactions instead of Bitcoin, especially on dark net markets. Governments around the world, especially the US, have also offered hundreds of thousands of dollars to anyone who can crack Monero's code. Related pages. Find out about Scash, another privacy coin. All you need to know about the basics of crypto. What is a ring signature? CoinMarketCap blog, interviews with top crypto influencers. How many Monero, XMR, coins are there in circulation? Monero is slightly unusual as a token sale wasn't held for XMR, and no tokens were pre-mined either. At the time of writing, the circulating supply of XMR stands at 17,703,471. This cryptocurrency is designed to be resistant to application-specific integrated circuits, which are commonly used for mining new Bitcoin. In theory, this means that it can be possible to mine XMR using everyday computing equipment. Overall, there will eventually be a total of 18.4 million XMR in circulation, and this cap is expected to be reached on May 31, 2022. After this, miners will be incentivized using tail emissions, with a small amount of XMR being fed into the system every 60 seconds as a reward. It is believed this approach is more effective than relying on transaction fees. How is the Monero network secured? One of Monero's main goals has to prevent centralization, and this network uses a consensus mechanism called Kryptonite, which is based on proof of work. This prevents large mining farms from becoming a dominant force. Where can you buy Monero, XMR? Because of its nature as a privacy coin, XMR isn't listed on some major exchanges. For example, although you can buy XMR on Binance, it isn't supported by Coinbase. As a result, you may need to convert your fiat into Bitcoin and go through a smaller trading platform. This guide helps explain how you can convert fiat currencies into crypto with ease. As its use grows, there has been increased interest in the XMR to AUD and XMR to Euro price pairs. BNB price live data. The live BNB price today is $388.89 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.631.842.092 USD. We update our BNB to USD price in real time. BNB is down 0.62% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 4, with a live market cap of $63.496.257.225 USD. It has a circulating supply of 163.276.975 BNB coins and a max supply of 165.116.760 BNB coins. If you would like to know where to buy BNB at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in BNB stock are currently Binance, MXC, BingX, CoinTiger, and Bybit. You can find others listed on our crypto exchanges page. What is BNB? Launched in July 2017, Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally based on daily trading volume. Binance aims to bring cryptocurrency exchanges to the forefront of financial activity globally. The idea behind Binance's name is to show this new paradigm in global finance, binary finance, or Binance. Aside from being the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, Binance has launched a whole ecosystem of functionalities for its users. The Binance network includes the Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet and research projects, which all employ the powers of blockchain technology to bring new age finance to the world. BNB is an integral part of the successful functioning of many of the Binance subprojects. Who are the founders of BNB? Changpeng Zhao is the founder and CEO of Binance. In 2001, Zhao joined Bloomberg as head of Tradebook Futures Development. He spent 4 years with the company and later joined Fusion Systems as a partner. Since 2013, Changpeng Zhao has been actively involved with blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. He became head of development at Blockchain, and in 2015 he founded Bijiatech. In 2017, Zhao officially launched Binance, and he has been the CEO of the company ever since. He is a co-founder and chief marketing officer at Binance. She started her career as a TV anchor and presenter on China Travel TV in 2012. Later, in 2014, he co-founded OKCoin, which was the largest fiat-to-crypto exchange in China at the time. In 2017, she joined forces with Changpeng Zhao, and together they created the largest crypto exchange globally, Binance. What makes BNB unique? Binance is a unique ecosystem of decentralized, blockchain-based networks. The company has grown to be the leading crypto exchange in a number of countries, and their side organizations are attracting significant interest as well. One of the biggest competitive advantages Binance has is its drive for development. While the company started only as a crypto exchange back in 2017, today, Binance has spread its services among numerous different spheres. According to the company website, its mission is to become the infrastructure services provider for the entire blockchain ecosystem. Since launching the BNB, the exchange has also benefited from increased investor interest in the token. BNB went through a significant price increase at the beginning of 2021, which has put it on the map of enterprise investors. Measures like BEP 95 have upgraded the already deflationary tokenomics to make BNB even more deflationary. Following the proposal, gas fees on Binance Smart Chain have become even lower, as the network burns a part of the fees to decentralize further. The proposal was modeled after Ethereum's famous EIP 1559. This has helped Binance overcome several exploits of protocols on BSC, such as a $200 million exploit of Pancake Bunny and several hacks of Cream Finance. Despite these hacks, users return to Binance for its low fees and the abundance of lucrative meme coins in its ecosystem. Related pages. Read more about Elrond. Find out more about BZX protocol. Learn more about dApps. Binance is launching an NFT marketplace. Want to keep track of BNB prices live? Download the CoinMarketCap mobile app. Want to convert BNB price today to your desired fiat currency? Check out CoinMarketCap exchange rate calculator. What are crypto debit cards? How many BNB are there in circulation? There is an initial maximum supply of 200 million BNB coins, of which 168,137,036 are currently in circulation as of September 2021. Binance conducts quarterly burning of the BNB supply, with the goal of reducing the total supply by half, or 100 million BNB. On July 18, 2021, it conducted its 16th quarterly burning, which was worth $390 million in BNB price at the time of burning. However, that was not the most expensive burn. On April 16, 2021, the exchange burned nearly $600 million worth in BNB price at the time of burning. According to the Binance white paper, exactly half of the maximum supply of BNB tokens was allocated towards the initial coin offering, ICO, and public sale of the token. The ICO was held in July 2017 shortly after the exchange launched, and saw Binance raise $15 million in funding, with BNB price at 10 cents during the ICO. Taking BNB price today, that represents an almost 4200x return on investment, ROI. Another 40% of the total supply, or around 80 million BNB coins, was distributed among the founding members and team. Finally, the remaining 10% of the maximum supply was split among angel investors. How is the BNB network secured? Initially, the BNB started as a traditional ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Later on, the company introduced its own blockchain, and the coins started being issued from the Binance blockchain, secured by the Tendermint Byzantine Fault-Tolerant (BFT) consensus mechanism. While ERC-20 tokens rely on the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus, which allows them to be extremely scalable, and allows for the creation of smart contracts. Unlike POS, the Binance blockchain does not support smart contract functionalities. In contrast, the Bitcoin blockchain is secured by the proof-of-work (POW) consensus, which is far more limited and consumes large amounts of electrical and computing power. Where can you buy BNB? As the dedicated utility token of the Binance exchange, the most straightforward way to acquire BNB coins would be to purchase them through Binance. The original exchange supports the largest variety of trading pairs with BNB, and it also has the best trading rates for the coin. Since the launch of play-to-earn games, interest in the BNB to PHP price has increased substantially. If you are looking for alternative exchanges where you can purchase BNB, FTX is a good choice. Keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, just like investing in any other type of asset. To check BNB price live in a fiat currency of your choice, you can use CoinMarketCap's converter feature directly on the BNB currency page. Alternatively, use the dedicated exchange rate converter page. Popular BNB price pairs include BNB/USD, BNB/GBP, BNB/AUD, BNB/CNY, BNB/JPY, and BNB/Euro. Cryptocurrency newbie. You can read more about how to enter the market and how to buy BTC, BNB, or any other token in CoinMarketCap education portal, Alexandria. BA making a difference. The BNB Chain Growth Alliance, BNGA, has seen a third NFT project, Retro Boys, sell out in just one week as the organization continues to make a distinguishable impact on the chain. 39.99 Retro Boys NFTs were snapped up during mint at just 0.10 BNB, making them the third project to have minted out this week after Pixel Sweepers and Baked Potatoes. Interest and volume have steadily been rising on BNB chain marketplaces NFT Key and Binance NFT, and with innovative projects pumping out collections to mint, we may see this continue. Retro Boys offered minting incentives throughout their relevant collection, rewarding users with opportunities to win BNB in raffles up to the last few mints. Those who did get the chance to mint can look forward to the second phase of the project that will see Pills NFTs arriving soon. Once minted, these NFTs allow users to burn their original Retro Boys and transform them into a more creative and powerful NFT, the project claim. The NFT community on BNB chain has a powerful week. The BNGA was well represented across the industry's success and is proving to be a unifying alliance for the NFTs on BNB chain. For those still looking to pick up a Retro Boys NFT, you can find them just under the mint price at the time of writing on NFT Key. What is Retro Boys Association? Retro Boys is an NFT collection of 3,999 that live on BNB chain and have recently been minted. The collection sees part of the income redistributed to holders by giveaway, and reinvested toward marketing and development. The collection offers users the chance to upgrade their initial NFTs with the forthcoming collection, through a burn and mint which then offers a more creative spin of their initial NFT. Difficult period for investors. The crypto market is now at max pain where almost all short-term investments are at a loss. Bitcoin's net unrealized profit/loss (NUPL) chart shows that it is at its lowest level since mid-2020. Weekly recap. Central African Republic becomes the second nation-state to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Trust Wallet adds support for Kronos chain. Shiba Inu burns over $8 million SHIBs on its burn portal's first day. Algorand moves to reduce its carbon footprint through the use of smart contracts. Kronos exceeds 700K unique addresses. OpenSea acquires Gem, an NFT market aggregator. Seller Network launches its flagship product. Crypto.com CEO refutes CZ's claim on EU sanctions. Popular baby Dogecoin NFTs sold out in 3 days. European Central Bank, ECU, wants to regulate crypto. The TAN Arena completes its second burning round. Crypto trading in India declines by 70%.